The course is intended to increase and diffuse the knowledge about the stem cells and the therapeutic possibilities. We would like to share our knowledge with the students and with colleagues about the fundamentals, the fundamental biology of stem cells and their possibilities to apply in different clinical situations. That's the background of this course. Fortunately, we will have in this course worldwide recognized experts in biology of stem cells, but mainly the groups, the representatives of the groups that work mainly with clinical applications. So we are very interested in applying these new properties of stem cells, either adult stem cells or IPS, induced progenitor stem cells, to the different clinical situations. There will be professors from Europe, all over Europe, Professor Madrigal from London, Professor Madrigal from London, which is the president at this time of the European Society of Bone Marrow Transplantation, Professor Antonio Celli from Genoa, Professor of Neurology and Neuroimmunology at the University of Genoa, Professor Rachele Chiocopo from the Instituto San Matteo at the University of Pavia, Professor Locatelli, the president of the Italian Association for Pediatric Hematology and Oncology at the University of Pavia in Italy, and also well-recognized professionals from the United States. Professor Robert Chastain, the director of the Translational Research Program at the Harvard Medical School, and also Professor Mazzini, Letizia Mazzini, the head of the Department of Neurology in Novara, in Italy, Professor Chaya Brody from the University of Tel Aviv in Israel, and Professor Shimon Slavin, also from the Tel Aviv, Israel. These distinguished guests will be sharing their knowledge with us and with other Spanish professors like Professor Damián García Olmo, Javier García Sancho, Francisco Fernández Avilés, Bernat Soria, Agustín Zapata, Isabel Fariñas, very distinguished experts in basic science of stem cell biology and also clinical application, Professor Ángel Raya, Professor Salvador Martínez, etc., etc. And all these distinguished academical professors will be with us in this very interesting 3 days of sharing knowledge about stem cells and their applications. The targeting of this meeting is pre-graduate students, but also postgraduate students interested in stem cell biology and medical professionals that could be interested in applying these technologies to their patients. So it's a broad type of targeting for persons that could be interested in this field.
Okay. Why should anybody be interested in taking this course?
Well, I think that there is a lot of in general interest in the application of technologies, new technologies based on stem cell therapeutics. There is adult stem cells, there is the new technical improvements in IPS, or even we will touch some of the embryonic stem cells used for clinical applications. So doctors and medical students and biologists and even general population, general people who could be interested in amplify their knowledge about this type of cells are the future for their application in medical conditions that nowadays do not have any efficacy treatment. Could be interested in this meeting. The course will be held in a beautiful place in the east coast of the region of Murcia, a very sunny place with a very beautiful beach called Águilas, which is about 30 kilometers far from Murcia capital, and can be reached by car or by plane or even by train easily.